Getting started with Posterous. Okay, so I sent an email to all of you inviting you to join the ENH295 Posterous account. So when you check your email, you should see that Elisa Cooper wants you to join. And when you click on that email, you'll see this message down here that says, "You're invited." You can view the space, it gives you the URL, and then it gives you some important information. It says, you can post this space using the email. So you want to add this to your email address book, ENH295@posterous.com. So you'll be able to post to the blog using that email address. This space content can be viewed, and there's the address that you want to bookmark, and then it says you need an account to view this space. Register now. So I'm going to go ahead and click that link, and now I need to set up a password. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my password. Make sure that you write this down so that you won't forget it. And then you need a username. I would recommend that you just go ahead and use your MEID, but you can be creative if you want. But just remember, by being creative, it's more difficult to identify who you are. So you want to make sure that you update your profile and put in your name. Now remember, this space is private, so it's just like being in a private classroom, so it's okay to use your name, your real name. Okay, so hit start posting, and you should get a page. Okay, so this is where we are now. So this is how your classmates will recognize you. They'll have this weird name that may not be able to decipher who you are. So we want to go ahead and edit the profile, and we want to put the same name and picture that you used on the course network. So right here is where I want to put in my name, and I want to say a little bit about myself, and then down here I want to choose a picture to add to my profile. All right, so I'm choose the file, and then right there is a picture of me, and I'm just going to say open. All right, so now I will have a picture, and I will say a little bit about myself, just so. Spring class. Okay, so I have my name, my profile text, and my picture, and I can save my profile. And now when people look up and see this, they'll be able to see who I really am. Okay, so quickly I'm going to go over and click on Manage Spaces, and here you can see that I have my own space that you will not be using in this class unless you want to, and then you will see the course. So when I click on that, I will be able to see all of the different posts that students in the class have posted, including your own, and you will be able to see any drafts that you have created. So I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways to post to this, so you don't always have to come to this site. But for today, all you need to do is make your first post, which is Journal Number 1, Why Ban Books. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that title because I need to make my post. And you'll see a bunch of these posts because every one of you will make one. So right here I can say new post via web. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then I'm going to put my title here. And everyone needs to title their journal the same. Of course, I should have maybe made you add your name. But in this box here is where you put your post. Okay, so type right in here. You can edit it in any way if you want. And if you wanted to add any images, audio, video, or docs, you would add those here. And then you want to make sure that you are posting to the class and not your own personal blog. And then you say publish. And once you've published, it should show up. And we'll know it's yours because your little face will pop up next to it. Okay, so here you can see that I posted one here from a different account, and in yet another account I posted a test from email, so that works. And then this is the one that I just created. And if you want to read any of these, you just click on the title and it will show up over here. Okay, so all of these will, you can read them right here from this page. Okay, so that's it for getting started with the orientation. So everyone needs to have a journal post called Journal Number 1, Why Ban Books, before you have completed your orientation. You also need to make sure that your name is associated with it so I will know it's you, and a little picture, the same picture that you used on the site, so it's easy recognition for everyone. Okay, that's it.